And so currently, Ukopiemu ewo eye Ghana dia Otumfuo ene Kwame Abogza ana e trend ye. No bibe buza se Otumfuo kwako endorse obi a edien na nkebe ma nsem waye wan to the extent that ebe trend that way. Ukopiemu wo WhatsApp a ehompo groups egu ho. Obehu ana there is a flyer bi a e trend ye. So Otumfuo se amanfo nyan kasa na Kwame Abogza nye n'adwuma. When you be room Kasabe and a man for claim allegedly say Otumfuo say details that Baba Tabontin says and some no protein Otumfuo can be as you be rabbin here near T Otumfuo no send your can or pepe. But before that, people have to understand a debentin and Kabema Otumfuo and those will be nine seminal ebe the din sana man for say there be what Otumfuo is doing and you're right. What is the news? What is the details about Kwame Abogza? Ghana for doing say Otumfuo is not supposed to associate himself with Kwame Abogza. And some of those. And in fact, it's a whole lot of trending issues. Now, in this particular details, they have so mono. You better add a top one, of which I believe say trend that details. Swami interchange na so mate a year event is a lane so. And also some at the same. You been able to any details, updates. Ewo Swami interchange, and so and one. Now, Ghana for say Kwame Abogza Ghana for betre mu say Sabi Mahama appointees ni nyina no ono na oye kromfo die ntia almost say he been the minister of roads and highway sika aban dia ma Kwame Abogza e ma beke about 2 days or 3 days ago maybe fire Kwame Abogza pa e wo TikTok any Facebook. Se onfanye Ghana kwan no Kwame Abogza de ono ekwan no oye. In fact, he is doing the roles and even making most of them quality roles are kwan Kwame Abogza ya out me say we dey nka kwan ni. Nemum the amount of money Kwame Abogza say or the ye kwan aye sika omodwen ho a omonte ase. One documentary leak here about 7 days ago was about a year Dodo Pepesu Road. According to the EU funding, no, Mahama buying Sakai around 2016. When Sakai went to me and we that road, no, went to me and yet because of Senate, election in Yadia. It is can be that home I could afford by no first within 30 months. So we a Dodo Pepeso a road. Now Dodo Pepeso road, I could afford Asian or the 30 months and a year and a cost on around 20 million. Tinkomo ye very interested. A cost on for a grinding now. A cost on for a year around 20 million euros. Now, Mama buy the entire amount for workers say, and you can also tune for associating home with Kwame Abogza and Michi. Now, Mahama buy now you appointed Kwame Abogza who screen issue. You appointed say on be the Minister of Roads and Highway. Or no buyer or say a quite bit to say example. A lot of the many people are accusing him. No, I'm using one as an example. A quite bit to say Dodo Pepesu Road. Akufo-Addo buying spending EU funding 20 million euros to complete the whole 49 kilometers of road. CSC and kama ono Kwame Abogza say obesiesi kwan no. Kwan ya we no obe renovate. One more kind say rehabilitation of the road no. Na sa kwan na wo baba be CSC ne keke no. Ono de obe spending about 60 million euros. E kwan no ye no. 20 million euros ni CSC around. Wapa se ubesiesia wo de 60 million euros and eba baba siesie kwan no ye kura na ne boy sen.
My expectation was that because you have the technical details of the Dodo Pepeso, for example, which he flagged, you would give us the details to explain why the rehabilitation cost almost twice, more than twice the original
to be honest with
construction.
You see, some of these things you don't prepare for them, because as we're here, when he said it, I sent a message to the highways director to give me an explanation.
And these are some of the news Emma Ghana for will be for the past 7 days ever atata Kwame Abogza be see there. It is obetimi circulating a flyer. So Otumfuo say Ghana for njan kasa no na Kwame Abogza nye na dwuma. So Otumfuo is not supposed to associate himself with somebody people are already accusing say oye kromfo. We are not saying say Kwame Abogza mwe adwuma. E kwan no de oye quality now most of them are very good. na sika wodi wura kwan ni mu no wotimi se wei highly inflated o inflate sika no asesa wodwe ho a Ghana fo esika e betimi dia ye man ye no eno ana wo tua boro so se contractors no ne ebu no so ono na ensrent so eno de enim ba sika wodi wura kwan ni mu no ade a wodwe ho a wotimi se edam pa wo mu Kwame Abogza wo hwe expenses na wo spend wo Ghana kwan ho no a Kwame Abogza betimi ade 1 kilometer of road na omoye no obetimi achia almost tie de mekepa almost 1 million euros ewo just a kilometer of road se ne wonsam no bebre Asantehene do no ade omo mpese Otumfuo be associate no with Kwame Abogza into one thing some say this is the main reason why Ghanaians were all blazing on the internet so Otumfuo shouldn't associate himself with Kwame Abogza. Yes, Otumfuo 702.
Joe. 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 Joe.
Yeah, found the Agrofi, Accra, and Granny Kumasi.
Joe.
Now bring with Brazuka.
Joe.
The Bayan Bitching and Guama, Niema, Yayoniama, Agrofi, and mine.
Joe.
I confused you soon, near Quan for food.
Joe.
They want to be near to Tim, it's something and I was saying,
Joe.
But I'm going to be an Asantehene so by
Joe.
Only chief was some papa.
Joe.
I mean, I don't say, I will papa see up.
Joe.
Maybe I know, baby, the Wokwaya and the first ocean, and what baby so I want to so far.
Joe.
And we know you need to go fast or near juice can near the article.
Joe.
Not just a thing article near the yes, and a man, we are also no more.
Joe.
Now, see any remember, and no one said, came. No more in them.
Joe.
So, Jeff, we eat to my name. That you best no fun on my hands more so.
Joe.
And they were between bear and 9 minutes. You think me and I'm more years. Can say I'm more boy.
Joe.
And see, I know so come. Then yes, cannot. And you always cast over among them who said that.
Joe.
Okay, you be a child want to. Okay, between Sian Monon, so no, and I can neck.
Joe.
Yeah, and you say, in room feeling me and no brow, but not a boy.
Joe.
Which I was a bit blue 2027 already, and we go 2028.
Joe.
Yes, and 1 year and
Joe.
Uncle Moby. Then I will cram it to me for so concrete. Masaba near who said,
Joe.
The next sermon, what future see that anyway. Say, no dream of today.
Joe.
So therefore, so you can't do one more. Yeah, only a woman may grab a church and maybe a prayer numb so be our no, maybe a friend I catch and let you know.
Joe.
We go near food near 1 year. Near my land valuation for your near teacher, let us have so as we have about. Yeah, be a I'm saying they am so when I am content.
Joe.
So therefore, when I'm pretty like. I'm meaning I would not yet found for the year.
Joe.
Here was here the Guama. Yeah, we are as a family from her. The young person can be a DOC friend can be in sick and young associate the resident there.
Joe.
Would if a big woman a child whom a 50 years on family.
Joe.
I didn't pay into
Joe.
I push up one room. As you said, in a baby. Nti ebesem no manu mabayi ontimi yedi 19 or the man to travel
Joe.
Also, my person, we share a message.
Joe.
You discuss with certain become so very resist can go near the
Joe.
on try to so many and papa, which I answer to change their mind. Now, yes,
Joe.
and dinner for why the muscle, some number can want me.
Joe.
The minister for the education engineer for one of my children.
Joe.
Mamma, what's that? You see, penny to you, I'm also named
Joe.
Namon Shema, and as a papa of my brain,
Joe.
Where Abra, Omo Brevi Otumfuo on the new Kumasi Accra Highway no express a road now on Pesomoyen. Yes, the new Kumasi Express road on Pesomoyen. Now, I don't know Otumfuo 88 Yomo canning in every year. So much say on Pesomo you kind of different one. Now, Omodokofa a yes, a via and move some chain. Now, Kwakwa a year able comedy Kumasi say pam. Now, Edis, you know, in India, in Munchimuma or Otumfuo, you know, and Otumfuo, you know, it's a good idea. And in fact, on Ukraine, anybody who said, or Befaso, that chance him to be can fast on Ghana for you know, who said, and Pakwa near we am Otumfuo Afaso. From a year Abogza, Kwame Abogza, what you Otumfuo said, even the old road, you know, the old Kumasi Accra road, almost say no. In fact, on my patchy road, you know, maintenance on Baye. Na abe in addition to the new one ya ompeso mutwe Kwame Abogza che mucho Otumfuo ze kwa for no be no kra no o me 6 lanes na se ene ka bia nhia ka bia ene ka ni to a say hu ene within 2-3 hours no from Accra wadu Kumasi and Kumasi to Accra no within 3 hours watch out 3 hours wadu ene no ana mo Otumfuo de sanse we enso tuda echire mumu dwina mo kwa eduru na wo hini bi se wonti ahia mo nka nkyere me Mia metuatua wonka na bibia atumi e kama mudu ho na se garamse fo nso bia na ekwan na akoyi afa omo de mo mine munnu omu nyira ntundu na ekwan so ntimi ndem na bibia ntumi e kama because omo sense ase na dada. So these were the words of the Otumfuo. There is nowhere in the video Otumfuo be na no can say Kwame Abogza forget the Ghana for ka e woduma. He endorsed the good works they are doing for the people of Asante. And yet Kwame Abogza beef I want to Ghana forward. Otumfuo said nothing about that and so on. Now the interesting part of the whole conversation at the moment Kwame Abogza actually Otumfuo the update on the Swami interchange. Otumfuo says Abogza Swami no so mo ye de ewo.
Minister of Road and Highways, particularly without talking about one of your wishes, which is to complete the Swami interchange. Indeed, the reason is told, you are aware that it was because of the debt situation we had from 2022. That is why the project stopped, because it was a commercial. President Mahama has since directed that we incorporate that as part of his big push. And as we speak, Nana, all debts owed to the contractor in the excess of $25 million have been paid to the contractor. So we expect the contractor to be fully mobilized on site to be able to complete the project before the end of 2027 completely. Otumfuo, something came up and we need to share with you. Currently, everybody coming to Kumasi or going beyond Kumasi need to drive to Swami Interchange or Swami Runabout currently. That was the basis for which the design was made 40 years. Currently, one of the major projects we want to do is to do a bypass or to do a loop around Kumasi completely. Every major city in the world has got what we call a ring road or an orbital. So we are in the process of designing a complete orbital across around Kumasi, which is over 100 kilometers. The idea is to give opportunity that if you don't have anything to do at the center of Kumasi, you can hit the orbital and go around it and re-enter from wherever you want to enter. As a result, we are doing a bypass currently on site from just after Ijisu to with the contractor, it's about 47 kilometers. The expectation is that when that is completed, those going beyond Kumasi, if you are not intending to come to Kumasi, you don't need to come and crowd the Swami interchange. So when you hear complaints about we want to reduce it, the levels, we don't intend to take one city out of the project. Whatever savings we make, we still have the Swami interchange and then Mampong Road still not under contract. It's a very critical road. So whatever we have allocated for that project will be spent here. Rather, we are spending another 3 billion to build the orbital. So none of your children, not me, not the President Mahama, will take anything away from Asantehene. Rather, we want to add to it. So our engineers are working with the contractor to come out with the full design as to what it will be, considering the bypass, and we'll be happy to share those details with you in due course. So Dana, this is why we are here, and we are very grateful to come and see you.
Otumfuo said that be Swami entertain, you know, and yes, ye baba TB so. Name ewiase krobia as so ya hinkrono. So ko piem wa Asantehene mo ma hinkrono Kumasi. Omo will be a friend ring road. Most of the part of Ghana no say wo kɔ hɔ a ti say ofa Kumasi, that is a swam roundabout ansan wako. And the basa no man traffic timi si wo swam mo sa. Inti kwan no on pese omo te snom ne ne e ka ho no omo tie no. E dane e kwan a e beda Kumasi mfimfin ehun ka ho. Tio. Na se wo kɔ baabi na se unhia se okofa swam roundabout wa. You can go through that ring road. Abra won kofa nti Asantehene mi wura Kwame Abogza na ka nyem na meka mi wura se wote ne se yesi ye teso a enye ne se mu a na emu ba ko na ye yie no je de ye kwan a ne tintin mu de be almost 100 kilometers etwa eye Kumasi finfin mu konom no sa ehia na bibia so atumi aye kama Otumfuo sa akere o mo se eye Kumasi Accra express road no mo ye nso no they shouldn't forget say contractor no muntwa ne ko muntwa ne ka, because ono opese ofa kwan ni so ansa na eja bibia ni out the mechanics opese ofa kwan ni so na bibia nso timi ye kama, and omo ti Otumfuo say nkompese omo wie kwan no by 2027 no ma wie Otumfuo chom say no, they shouldn't be under pressure, at least by 2028 enough for them to Otumfuo mo 1 year so omo relax it. Now by 2028 omo wie kwan no na ontumi emfa so bi ti so tin baby. So Otumfuo do so Kwame Abogza ni MPP NDC fonto kwano Asantehene never said anything like that. Unya Kenya na name be dinka. In case of any update, the best share on our next video. Macrow.
K1ng oh boy Juma we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. So you see commentary news in the bar, so you see commentary for home so good. Keep on going.